How to use AI to change the message typing style on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, S24 Ultra. Open the keyboard on your device. Enter the text you want to use AI. Now tap on the assistant button. Now you can see translate chats and enhance your writing. It will helpful to use advanced intelligence to translate message in select chat and text message app. Change tone of your writing, provide spelling and grammar suggestion also. Tap on OK. Now tap on a writing style. Here you can see rewrites the on the way. Hi, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hey, how are you? You can see automatically suggest the writing style on your device. So quite useful. You can also change grammar error. Tap on spelling and grammar. Here you are checking your text. How are you? So quite useful feature to change your writing style for messages and check for errors and grammar suggestion using this new Galaxy AI feature on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and S24 Ultra. That's it. Please like it, share it.